that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let's see. So I have to change it. Like if it's like that. Now you have your very own Baldi.
Directs. I hear every door you open, and I know just where you're going. You're failing again and again. My ruler's locked and loaded with my ulterior.
Hey guys, it's me Ari, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own Baldi basics. So basically you just take one of your favorite characters, maybe, and then you either do presets to change it, which I'm going to do. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Let's see. So the first thing I'll need to do is change the hair. It doesn't really matter if you change the hair color because he is kind of bald. But if you want to make a hair tip like that, then you'll have to change it. Now, you go to clothes. It doesn't really matter, like if it's like that. And, I'm just gonna choose this t-shirt. And then the sleeves are going to be, I think these ones are pretty good. And now the pants. And now I'm gonna take away the tail. And also the glasses. I have to change the eyes too. Now you have your very own Baldi. But here's how you can make a really fun type of, background of your character. Hold on. So, all you have to do is hit BG. Let's see. Since he loves school, I'm going to put him in here. So it doesn't affect all the other colors. It just affects that one. So yeah, you can either do this one, which I'll do in another tutorial, or this one. So yeah, thanks for watching.